How to use American Express gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can use your American Express gift card, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to use your American Express gift card, all you have to do is first of all come to the official website, which is amexgiftcard.com. I'll make sure to drop a link below. If you don't know how much balance you have left in your account, then just tap the three lines option from the top left, go to check balance, make sure to enter your Amex gift card number and details over here, and then you'll be able to see the amount of balance that is left inside of your card. Now the next step is, how do you use these cards? Well, the process to use these cards actually varies, because not all online e-commerce stores actually accepts your Amex gift card as a payment option. Only some of the ones actually includes it. So to find out which ones, first of all, after you check your balance, you can see no fees after purchase, card is replaceable, funds do not expire, use online and in store, only in some of the online stores. So you can just go to store locations, and then here these are some of the stores that basically accept Amex gift card. So Walmart accepts it, Target accepts it, Fred's, Family Dollar, or all the CVS pharmacy and everything. All of these stores actually accept your card details, right? So you can use your Amex gift card in all of these platforms over here, and this way you'll be able to use the American Express gift card. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.